What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, sport card fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. 4 breaks for you tonight. But first, 2 bad break drawings for last night's breaks. Up first, giving away a $10 promo code. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Here we go, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner of the $10 code is going to be Jerry. And now for the $50 code for the case break. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner of the $50 code is going to be Henry. Congratulations, Henry. Now we'll start off with the eBay auction break of the 2015 certified. Alright, good luck everybody. Denard Robinson, Jonathan Stewart, Andy Dalton. Gold team for the Broncos, Peyton Manning. And the first hit going to the Redskins, a Matt Jones rookie patch. 174 out of 799. Going to Styling Beauty of 40. And there's a Kids Reporter promotion they're running. Victor Cruz, Jeremy Maclin, Michael Crabtree, Cordero Patterson to 499, and Johnny Manziel. Adrian Peterson, Matt Ryan, Mark Ingram, Gerald Holloman, to 499. Spacer, Tom Brady skills insert. Keenan Allen, Johnny Manziel, Elvis Dumerville, rookie for the Raiders, Mario Edwards Jr. to 999. Rookie autograph, jumbo 3-color patch for the Panthers, Devin Funches, 244 out of 599. Panthers going to Rachel C. Terry. Brian Hartline, Aaron Rodgers, Brandon Marshall, Jamarl Charles, red parallel to 199. And Emerald autograph for the Cardinals, John Brown. First one made 1 out of 5. Going to Like to Buy and Sell. Very nice. Congratulations. RG3, Ryan Mallett, Steve Smith Sr., Garrett Grayson, Gold Team rookie, and Matt Ryan. Frank Gore, Trey Mason, Vincent Jackson, Rob Gronkowski, red parallel, 38 out of 99. And a rookie dual patch. It'll go to the team on the left, the Bucks. We have Jameson Winston and Rashad Green. 382 out of 799. Bucks going to Taker 2004 400. Devin Hester, LaShawn McCoy, Tom Brady, Troy Aikman to 999. Spacer, Antonio Brown. Sam Bradford, Antonio Brown, Alex Smith, Steven Nelson to 499, and Derek Carr. Andre Johnson, Geno Smith, Matthew Stafford, Senquez Colson to 999, and Dan Marino. That will do it for the certified. Now we'll go to box one of the tier one. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Paste the results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. And here's the roster for box one of the tier one. Alright, good luck everybody. First for the Reds, Frank Robinson, Legends Game Used Bat Patch, 64 out of 99. Going to Jacob S. On card autograph for the Astros, Mike Foltowitz, 329 out of 399. Going to Stephen R. For the Braves, Tom Glavine on card silver autograph, super short print, 7 out of 10. Congratulations, Ashley. Very nice. And that'll do it for box one. Here we go. Roster for box two. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up first for the Rangers, game used bat patch, Prince Fielder, 283 out of 399. Going to Tim P. On card, Newgard autograph for the Mets, Juan Lagares, 155 out of 399. Going to Angelo. And on card autograph for the Diamondbacks, Matt Williams, 267 out of 399. Diamondbacks going to Billy. And that'll do it for box 2. We'll finish up the night with a box of Inception football. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, good luck everybody. First for the Jets, Geno Smith. Raiders, Derek Carr. Cowboys, Tony Romo, 39 out of 50. Going to Joshua W. Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill, 11 out of 150. Going to Dean. On card, rookie auto for the Jags, Rashad Green. Going to Joshua. Rookie autograph, a jumbo 3-color patch for the Redskins, Jamison Crowder, 91 out of 125. Redskins going to Nate. And a rookie 2-color patch for the Bears, Kevin White, 37 out of 50. Bears going to Dean. And that will do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with some 2-box football breaks. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.